Okay, January 3rd, 2019. January 3rd, 2019. It is my intention to go to the gym this morning and start my fitness and track myself. I was trying to think of all the resolutions that I could come up with for 2019, and one of them, Ironman. Begin training for the Ironman 2019. Yeah, mama, this surely is a dream. Hanging around downtown by myself, and I've had too much caffeine, and there she was. Last couple minutes here at the vacation. Gotta hurry up and get this painting done. Okay, our trip is over. I should show you guys the painting, right? I think it turned out pretty rad. I miss this vacation spot. No to us. All right, there's the painting.
Wow.
Goodbye, room. I'm gonna add some black to pop it.
What's all that stuff like that and that?
Let's go!
Precious cargo, huh, Jenny?
No, not precious cargo.
We're home, Jenny. Good morning, Luke. Hi. You see my painting? You like it?
About you guys.
Because, I don't know.
Luke didn't run at me.
He likes better.
All right, that's the sound of the man getting back to work. I gotta figure out, the camera's on that side, so when I want to like hit record, I should grab. Whoops, I didn't mean to hit record that time. I was kind of just testing, but okay. Heading over to a client's house to get a final walkthrough signed and wrapping up some business. Then I'm gonna get on the phone soon. And I was looking in the wrong spot. That's the camera. That's the little spinny wheelie thing that says the camera is on. After that, I go home at 8 p.m. I gotta prepare for web. An emotional roller coaster it is to play this self-employment game. For some reason I had some sort of like anxiousness or almost pity for myself. There's this feeling sometimes I get when I think like, what if the real estate market really like collapsed and my industry was over with? leaving my kids to go to work just, it's a weird sort of painful and like sadness, but I'm providing. What a pussy, right? Right? I don't get it. And yet here in my domain where I can control the real estate universe at the flick of a finger, the click of a button. That beautiful view. Well, that view, except for that tree. Never ignore that tree. You know, I'm gonna make a call. I'm gonna be like, you only need like 2 sprouts according to the palm tree aesthetics. In the office just now, thinking to myself as I'm dialing like these super hot leads, thinking, why am I just dialing them? They're really hot. Why don't I just go knock on their door right now? And I go, why don't I? Wait a second. I almost started feeling very uncomfortable at the stupidity of me dialing them, knowing as soon as I saw one, I was like, that's not bad. That one's right around the corner. I could do that. What? Okay, just stop dialing people. Okay, let me tell you something, people. Going up to the door and knocking, that's my new thing. So what I'm gonna start doing 2019, top secret and fully exposed on the internet. You ready for this? I'm gonna just generate leads and get to enough leads where I'm just gonna spend my day popping in. Oh, whoa, I did not just say pop in the sense that I'm dropping off gift cards and baked goods, but I am definitely gonna show up and be like, why didn't you answer my phone? I thot you were my lead. You know what this is gonna remind me of? Remember that scene with Jack Lemmon and Glenn Ross where he's like, God, what was the name of that guy who opens the door? I forgot. Yeah, he shows up in the rain and like makes his way in and like uses the phone booth. I'm gonna have to go get like super old school and just start showing up old school. Wow, for the first time in like 2 years, I heard my reverse camera. Listen. You hear that? It beeped. I figured I'd take a quick trip back to the digital dock screen repair, or I think it's called now PCR. CPR. Right there's In-N-Out Burger. There's Imperial Highway and La Palma. And there's a cell phone repair up on the tower. What did you expect?